Hello everyone, today we're going to be making healthy pizza. By the way, let me introduce myself first. I'm your one and only nutritionist Henrich, and with me here I have the best chef in the world in person of Chef George. Now, like I said, today we're going to be making healthy pizza, and we're going to be sharing with you the ingredients we're going to be using for that. So Chef George, would you do me the honors to introduce these ingredients? We have here sweet potatoes. Yeah, and sweet potato is very healthy. What are we going to be using the sweet potatoes for?
For my dough for the pizza.
We are going to be using the sweet potato for the dough, the pizza dough. So what do we have here?
This
Tomatoes, okay, for the sauce, the pizza sauce. And then what do we have here?
is the sweet corn.
We have sweet corn.
And
Okay.
this is the tomato because we are making
Vegetable pizza,
healthy one.
healthy vegetable pizza.
And this my green bell pepper. And this my
Red bell pepper, and we have lots of onions.
And this
Okay.
my celery.
We have a celery there.
And this my thyme.
Thyme.
And this my
Olive oil.
And this my sea salt.
Sea salt.
Yeah, you can see that. This my sea salt.
And then we have our carrots too.
Yes.
And then I see a flour here. What kind of flour? This is almond flour.
Yes, this healthy flour.
Almond flour.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So we have all these healthy ingredients. Normally we would use the dough, the flour, but this time around we are choosing to use almond flour, which is more healthy, no gluten, and we're going to be using majorly the sweet potato. So how do we start this process, George?
You boil the sweet potato and mash it.
Okay.
That's the starting process. So from there we start from there.
Okay. So I see that you've actually washed the sweet potato. So can we start the process already without wasting time? Because I'm sure our viewers would want to see the process. So the idea is that we have this sweet potato. It's we have the skin on.
Yeah.
The
I'm going to boil it with the skin.
With the skin on.
Yes, because I'm trying to retain the nutrients on the potato. Yes, so I'm going to boil it with the peel and take off the potato after boiling it because I'm going to mash it.
Okay, so basically what Chef George is trying to say is that tuber crops that grow underneath the soil have about 50% of the medicine around the skin. So when you peel them, you lose those nutrients. So this time around, we are going to be cooking with the skin on because we want it healthy and we want the medicine intact. So what we're going to do now, we're going to chop them and then boil them, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So before I'm finished cutting my potato, so I'm going to add water into my cookware.
Okay, so we have our Salad Master 316 titanium cookware. Okay, so what?
I'm going to add a half cup of water on my cookware.
Okay, so we have about an inch of water in the cookware, and then you place it there, and then you put your potatoes inside.
Yeah.
So I guess we need to add more potatoes.
Yes,
right?
yes.
Okay, then so let's dive into chopping more potatoes.
So now I'm still cutting it.
So we're chopping our
I'm
potatoes.
chopping my potatoes.
Okay.
Now I'm done chopping my potatoes. I'm adding it back to my cookware.
Okay.
Now.
So we're going to boil this without water. There's no contact. Yeah. So the idea is when we cook in water, we lose some water-soluble vitamins. So that's why we are not going to cook. There's not going to be a direct contact with the food and water, so we don't lose the nutrients. So the idea is to allow this cook in our titanium cookware. All right.
For like 15 minutes.
For about 15 minutes.
So now I'm going to blanch my tomato here for the sauce. So this is the water I'm going to add up a glass of
water. Okay, just like an inch of water. Okay, so you can add an inch of water on there to blanch the tomatoes. Okay, just like that. Now the good thing about tomatoes is that they're actually very, very nutritious. They are high in lots of vitamins and minerals. They are high in antioxidants as well. One of the good antioxidants I like about tomatoes are the lycopene. They're very, very high in lycopene, and lycopene actually helps to fight cancer cells. So what we're going to be doing now is we're going to be blanching them like this.
So I'm going to allow you, I'm going to steam it for 5 minutes.
Just for 5 minutes?
Yes, to blanch. I'm going to cover it for 5 minutes.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, you can see the clicking now for 5 minutes now. Now I'm going to blend. You can see it's boiling a little bit for 5 minutes. Now I'm taking it down because it's ready for blanching now. So you can see now, the blanching means I want to take out the peel from the tomato. So I'm taking out the peel. That is the meaning of blanching, people at home. So you can see taking out the peel from the tomato. So that's blanching. So
it's been a long time that we coming. Niggas so scared cause we coming.
So you can see I'm done blanching my tomato. It's about to blend now. You can see the peel. You can see the peel that I discarded from my tomato. Now all my tomato is here now. It's about to blend now. So it's a bird, it's a plane. I'm done blending it now. So I'm going to pour it back into my saucepan. Salad mixture cooker. I'm going to pour it. Okay. So I'm about to put a pinch of sea salt into my blanched tomato. You can see the pinch salt. I'm going to add a tablespoon of thyme into my blanched tomato. A tablespoon directly into my blanched tomato.
So basically the onions now for the sauce. The sauce right.
So I'm going to put it on the heat for 5 minutes.
Make we go flex
To boil.
Okay, so the idea now is to cover things for 5 minutes to boil.
So let me check my potato, whether it's ready. Check my potato. Okay, my potato is ready for mashing now. So we are going to make a dough, a healthy potato dough of our pizza. So I'm going to mash it now.
So why is it compulsory to take off the skin?
Because I want it very smooth and there is not going to be any lumps on it. I want it very smooth. That's the reason I'm taking off. And I want it a kind of a milky color. I don't want the black spot of
Sure.
it. Yes.
Okay. So the idea is to make sure that the batter, that's the dough,
Yeah.
is smooth.
Yes.
And it gives a milky color.
Yes.
Okay.
You can see the peeling. Still taking the process of peeling.
So what's the next thing we're going to do?
Mash
now?
it.
So we're going to mash this
Turn
potato
it to a dough.
to turn it to a dough.
Yeah.
Okay,
So I'm going
fantastic.
to mash. You can see I'm done. Quarter cup of water.
Okay, that's about a quarter cup of water.
Yeah. And I'm going to add my almond flour to it.
So what's the function of the almond flour?
To coat it together, to make it gum together.
Okay, to bind it
To
together.
bind it together.
So about what quantity of almond flour do we add?
Like a half cup of
almond flour. Okay. So for our viewers, we use about half cup. Just a form of measurement, basically. So now you use your hand to measure it together.
Counting money, her day.
So you can see the potato, mashing potato. You can see now I've finished mashing it and I've finished massaging it together. Now I'm going to roll it on my working table now. So before you start rolling it, to not make it go on the working table, you have to sprinkle your almond flour.
So the idea is to sprinkle the almond flour, so it gives you an easy process for kneading, basically.
Make a call my body. Oh yeah, make we go flex. We got no worry. Make we go flex. Oh yeah, I want you. Make we go flex. I want to million machine. I just go let flex.